Aloha.
Day two.
Day two of our Hawaii vacation adventure. What are we gonna do today? So,
Circle around the island.
yeah, we signed up for this day tour. So they're gonna pick us up at 8, but it's only 6:30. We're gonna have some breakfast first at McDonald's.
7 o'clock.
Because here in Hawaii, they serve rice with spam and sausages. Yeah, so we're gonna try it. Here's my kids. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How was your first night, Mia?
I did some homework.
Yeah. Nice. Very studious person.
I'm trying.
Comfortable bed?
Yes and no. I don't like the blanket.
Ang arte. Si Kuya, I think he was sleeping the whole time. Snoring. But anyway, it's still dark outside. Waikiki. Still dark. 6:30. This is our McDonald's here. We have some, what is that? Eggs.
Ham and egg.
Yeah.
We'll take a cute little picture.
Nice.
We're having the traditional tourist breakfast.
It's kind of pricey here though for McDonald's.
Yeah, because spam here doesn't come in that often. It's priceless.
Di ba dapat nga ang spam dito is common.
Yeah, but they don't make the spam here.
Where do they make it? Let's finish our breakfast in McDonald's.
Yay! So they have a spam here.
Did you get full?
Fries. Yeah, because I ate all of your leftover, so I am full. Anywho,
Okay, we're gonna go and wait for the pickup point.
pretty good.
So we're waiting for our tour bus to pick us. Okay, we finally in the bus. We're doing the Aloha Island tour.
So it should be like what, every 15 minutes?
But this is we're gonna drop us off here. So we're waiting for other passengers to come and should be heading down. So we'll show you guys around it. This is a full bus. Let me show you.
So he'll be keeping his eyes on the road. That being said, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to direct them my way.
This is our first stop. Aloha. Hi, Dad.
No.
This is the first stop. Look at the picture. Here, hi, Dad. Those are the people that we want to follow. Ano anak mo? Come on guys, picture tayo. Hi, hi.
There's a picture. And ako, nagdaan. We live down there. Eh, nandun sila mga baba.
Where? Very nice. Look at it, baka na anong picture na eh. We gotta go the other way. Oh, look at that. It's like white sand.
Get it.
You know? How are you doing, guys? Hot?
Great.
Hot? Sleepy?
Coffee in the back corner. Fresh pineapple syrup in the
How is it? Good.
Very sweet.
Very good. Pineapple here is very sweet.
Coming from Hawaii, and his mom replied to my Instagram story. She's asking me where we're staying.
Grab different pineapple. Try with the powder. Very good. That. Really.
Sweet because it's not tahi. Pero,
How is the water, guys? Cold.
oh,
Okay, we're here in Chinaman's spot. That's
When this is where we're gonna do our ATV tomorrow.
or the other side, right there. The other one.
So this is the only road in here. So
Yeah, so we're gonna be going the same drive.
we're gonna be driving back here for like almost an hour,
Yeah. That's okay.
even a little longer.
It's okay. No, we just had a... Okay, this is our background.
How much is the banana?
Okay, we're in a stop again. In a fruit stand. We're eating our peanuts. And here has
Mango, pineapple, watermelon.
check it out. It's pretty sweet so far.
I don't know about the watermelon yet, and we have the mango.
We're gonna eat it while they're starting the beach. Okay, so we're gonna head to lunch soon. So we'll see. Okay, we report. Where should that be?
They're getting hotels. We're not moving, so.
I know, we're traffic. We've been here for like what? 3 hours, 2 hours already. So we're supposed to get lunch at around 12 noon. What time is it now? It's almost 12 now. So look, they're there. So if they don't make it, they'll just run. That'll be okay. Look at that. They're selling water for... Gotta washi-washi para tayo sa cruise. May hotdog. So it's around, what time is it now? Past 3 p.m. already?
550.
We're waiting for the food to be ready. We already pre-ordered it. Like 2 hours to do. Because we got served competition.
Yep.
Garlic shrimp.
You got a drink? I tried it.
Yep, and the wave. Look at the big waves. I can see it from here. Good luck on that one right there. Let me show you. So the one with... You scared? You don't want to go to the snorkeling
Expedition?
has failed now.
Go there?
I don't think you can go down there. No. Hey, this is our failed mission to see the turtles. They're hiding underground, underneath, because the wave is too strong right now. So I don't think they can come up at least. Hey guys, walang turtle.
Get the ice cream. Hey, breakfast.
Okay, we finally have our pineapple ice cream here. It's too big. You should have put in the cup. How's your ice cream, guys?
Good.
Go. How's your ice cream?
I just said it.
What did you say?
Asim.
What's maasim?
Sour. I like my pineapple sweet.
Well, it's good though. Hi. We finished our day tour already for the island tour. So right now where we're going? Stop singing. We're vlogging. Are we just gonna sing or are you gonna vlog?
We are going to get our car.
No.
Holy shit, it's cold.
It's cold right now. By the way. Hey, this is our dinner.